So after that first Rene Good stuff in the ice shooting, in Minneapolis, I made a video and I said that talking to somebody with low consciousness is hard because blame is already a low consciousness thing, and that's what a lot of people see. That if I start from the ice people and say, why would they do this kind of thing? Somebody's already seeing me as anti-Trump. If I start from the Rene Good side, why would she be doing this kind of place? Somebody's already seeing me as pro-Trump. Now, again, I didn't post that video. Now, again, I just saw the stuff from January 23rd. And the core of the video that I made was flee from Okalaogheli. Flee from Okalaogheli situations. Okalaogheli bụ mmụọ nọ n'ezi eche onye ọ ga-anapụ ife per my Afa people because I don't agba afa. So no ife the community gwa ka anyị ka mụ ama yota nke wee mụ anya nkwo like I've written in my book Introductory Igbo Spirituality or where Maya I introduced myself to Igbo spirituality, or rather I grounded myself in it. And I'm saying flee from Okalaogheli. Obola asigi na enwe street fight ino na orili gamukita. Asigi na enwe street fight isi na eje NYSC camp, eje NYSC je sign. If you guys stay in your fucking house, flee from Okalaogheli. What the fuck are you doing outside? Okay, and where's the other heightened emotion, heightened this thing? Ije itinye isi gi. Ebe mana onwe more. For example, imagine person will be say they are obindi chi dey dirty. Children they die for your house. Or see no you in Lagos. Say this Lagos must work out from. In shop they burn, everything they go wrong. Okwechili, get one abu in friend. I see tackle it is you go say this guy no go village on you. Say this guy no go village. They go push both you and that guy go back that village because Ibuzi an occultist. People are dying on his account. One abu per head, he go stand for road. Get no Okalaogheli anodo. Abazi egbe, ichoba mi ye blame Trump, mi ye blame onye abu egbe. Oga take responsibility and flee from Okalaogheli. Anyway, if I'm more kubuna, the street is full of zombies. Yota. I am not aja. The difference now is that ora yasigi wele ife bupu. Chuaja. Blood is the only currency in this universe. Ora yasigi carry something and offer sacrifice. Yeah. Okalaogheli Okalaogheli them. They want drink your blood. They go tell you go the speed for road. Though. They go tell you makwandiaibo. You are looking for who you attach blame. In a choni gay blame. Low energy nonsense. Blame. You are not even taking responsibility of your own part. Per head, don't even a copy sorry.